Alright, so welcome back to this channel again. We'll be showing you a little real quick analysis for you to be able to predict where actually this market is going to be going to. So if you know where it is going to, do where to leave it in the comment section. I'll be right back.
Become a Profitable Trader Academy.
Alright, so pretty much we are right here again. Alright, I'm just going to be performing a little analysis on this particular trend and this particular chart, as you can see right here. Mind you, this chart is actually going to be playing out two things. The first thing it's going to be playing out is that it's going to be playing out a self you know um not really a sell side liquidity, but a buy side liquidity. That's one part is going to be playing. All right, so a buy side liquidity, and it is also going to also play out you know all of these are opportunities anyways. So it is also going to play out a breaker block as well. So but first off, one thing we need to understand about this particular analysis is that first off, we need to know the direction of the market, and as it stands now, the direction of the market shows bullish. So the market is bullish at this point. So what we're actually doing, like I said, is going to play out either buy side liquidity, or it's going to give us a breaker block. Now if it's giving us a breaker block, pretty much we are actually going to be having something like this. Now if you watch, we've been able to have that bullish rejection right there on that candle, as you can see right there, that weak rejection. And then it had to print another doji for us right there. So if it's giving us a breaker block, this is what it's going to look like. So it is actually going to fall back to that particular order block, and then from there is going to break through the other block, and also give us it's going to give us okay. So I'm setting my risk to reward ratio on this. So when it breaks through there, it's actually going to take us, and then um is that going to retest that particular order block, and then therefore making it a breaker block for us. And then from there we'll have a shoot down of the price action. So I am just taking my risk to reward ratio. So for those ones who if it plays out, because we're actually watching and looking at the chart, if that is what it plays out to be a breaker block, then this is the best entry for it. So just know that this is where you're going to be entering the market. So that's for these. But if the reverse is the case, um, you could save this and see what it look like. So if the reverse is the case, I'm pretty much going to do it. But let me just name this first. This will play out to be a breaker block opportunity. Let me leave this real quick here. All right, so this is pretty much it. I'm going to be dropping this on my Telegram, and let me correct this real quick. All right, so it is either this chart plays out. Okay, so I'm pretty much beautiful on that. Okay, let me. All right, so like I said, is either it plays out the two opportunities. So I'm through with that. Okay, now this opportunity is going to play out is that it is going to also give us a continuous bullish trend, and this bullish trend continuity is going to look like this. Pretty much simple. So we just wait for what price to retrace to that particular level, and then form that liquidity for us, and then it becomes a push for us to the upper side. So we'll be setting or positioning ourselves for that buy side liquidity as it as anticipation. So pretty much I believe this should be helpful. If you've joined value from here, do it to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so you'll be notified whenever I tease will drop a new analysis video like this to help your entire trading experience. Yes. All right, if you also want to be part of our community, links are all shrouded right in the description below, so you could go there and also be part of our community. And if you don't want to be part of our community, maybe you might not be buoyant enough for that, then you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel, so you get premium resource materials for your benefits as well. So that was actually what we're doing right now. So as you can see, I'm taking my risk to reward ratio, trying to ensure that everything aligns with my analysis, so that I don't have to be cut off from my stop loss. And so this is pretty much just it for that. So with these, you can go ahead and wait to see what the trade is going to look like based on these predictions, and you're actually going to be making huge and huge tons of funds out of the market, right? Yeah. So this is pretty much it, and so simple, pretty much simple. So you could just wait and see what this would look like. Now for those of you who are new, you also look for, when videos like this are dropped, do well to do lots and lots of back testing so that you'll be sure of whatever it is. Like you need to ascertain your what you have learned and your result. All right, so it's going to be a wrap up on this one. I'm going to be seeing you right in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you would be notified appropriately. Peace out.